Shungite's Quantum Secret, a journey into the subatomic. What if a simple rock could mess with the laws of physics? We're talking about Noble Elite Shungite and its mind-bending link to quantum entanglement. You've heard of unique minerals, but today we're diving into something truly wild, Noble Elite Shungite. This isn't just another pretty stone for your collection. We're talking about a mineral with a carbon structure so unique, it's making waves from scientific labs to wellness communities. People are buzzing about its alleged ability to shield from electromagnetic fields, purify water, and even boost energy. But what if all those claims are just the tip of the iceberg? What if this ancient dark mineral holds a secret so profound it could challenge our very understanding of reality? We're not just exploring its purported powers. We're setting the stage for an experiment that could prove a mineral can actually influence the fabric of reality at a subatomic level. Get ready, because the universe might be weirder than you think. Imagine pulling a chunk of the night sky from the Earth itself. That's a bit what Noble Elite Shungite feels like. This rare, jet black mineral isn't found just anywhere. Its primary source is a remote region in Karelia, Russia, a place steeped in ancient legends and untouched wilderness. For centuries, locals have known about its unusual properties, using it in folk medicine and water purification, but only recently has it captured the serious attention of scientists and wellness enthusiasts alike. It's a geological enigma, sparking curiosity and even a bit of awe about its true potential. It's not a crystal in the traditional sense. It's something else entirely, a true anomaly. What makes Shungite stand out isn't just its look, but its very bones, its unique carbon structure. Most carbon we know is either diamond, super hard and clear, graphite, soft and dark, used in pencils, or charcoal, porous and crumbly. But Shungite is different. It's rich in something incredibly special, called fullerenes. Think of fullerenes as tiny, hollow, spherical carbon molecules, sometimes called buckyballs because their shape resembles the intricate geodesic domes designed by the visionary architect Buckminster Fuller. These buckyballs are incredibly stable, superconductive, and have some really fascinating properties that are only now being fully explored in modern chemistry and nanotechnology. In Shungite, these fullerenes aren't just sprinkled in. They're an integral part of its matrix, arranged in a chaotic yet somehow ordered way that scientists are still trying to fully grasp. This unusual arrangement is the key to many of the claims surrounding Shungite, giving it properties that other forms of carbon simply don't possess. It's like finding a secret blueprint hidden within the very atoms of the stone. So, what are these claims? For starters, Shungite is believed to be a powerful shield against electromagnetic radiation, or EMFs, which pour out from our phones, Wi-Fi routers, smart meters, and all the tech that now fills our lives. People place chunks of Shungite in their homes and offices, wear it as jewelry, or even stick small pieces to their electronic devices, hoping to create a protective bubble against invisible energy fields. Beyond that, it's celebrated for its water-purifying abilities. Drop a piece of Shungite in water, and it's said to filter out impurities, heavy metals, chlorine, and even bacteria, leaving behind cleaner, more revitalized water that some describe as tasting noticeably better. This has led to its widespread adoption in the wellness space, from personal water filtration systems to protective devices designed to harmonize environmental energies. But here's where it gets truly wild, and where we start to tiptoe into the realm of the unbelievable. While shielding and purification are impressive enough, the most ambitious claims about Shungite extend far beyond simple physical protection. We're talking about a potential connection to something mind-bending, something that even the greatest scientific minds have struggled to fully comprehend: quantum entanglement. Now, if you haven't heard of quantum entanglement, get ready for a trip down the rabbit hole. Imagine two coins. You flip them, but you don't look. They could be heads, heads, tails, tails, heads, tails. It's a game of chance, right? Now, imagine if these two coins were somehow linked, no matter how far apart they were, even light years away. If you look at one and it's heads, you instantly know the other, miles away, must be tails, even though no signal could have possibly traveled between them. And this isn't just about probabilities. It's a fundamental property of how these particles behave. It's a phenomenon where two or more particles become linked in such a way that they share the same fate, no matter the distance separating them. Observe one, and you instantly know the state of the other, even if it's across the galaxy. Albert Einstein famously called it spooky action at a distance, because it seems to defy our everyday understanding of space and time. There's no signal sent, no communication that we can detect faster than light. They just are linked. It challenges the very idea of locality and what it means for things to be connected, for information to travel, and for reality itself to exist independently. So, why bring Shungite into this quantum weirdness? The allure lies in its unique structure, specifically those fullerenes and their unusual arrangement. Scientists have long speculated about materials that might act as bridges or conduits to the quantum realm. Could Shungite, with its complex, almost cage-like carbon arrangement, somehow interact with quantum fields? Could it, in essence, influence the behavior of entangled particles? This isn't just about blocking EMFs. It's about a potential direct interface with the fundamental building blocks of the universe. This mind-bending question isn't just a curiosity for philosophers or sci-fi writers. It's fueling serious discussions, and for some, the basis for an incredibly ambitious experiment. What if Shungite isn't just interacting with classical electromagnetic waves, but with the subtle quantum vibrations that underlie reality? What if its unique architecture allows it to tune into or even manipulate these incredibly faint yet infinitely powerful quantum energies? Think about it. If Shungite's unique fullerene structure could somehow stabilize quantum states, or even act as a localized antenna for quantum information, what would that mean? It's not a stretch to imagine that a material known for its conductivity, its ability to interact with water, and its unique molecular architecture might have properties we're only just beginning to understand. We know that biological systems, including our own bodies, operate at incredibly complex, subtle levels, and some theories even propose quantum effects within living cells, like in photosynthesis or bird navigation. Could Shungite, then, be more than just a mineral? Could it be a natural quantum interface, a tool that helps us peek behind the curtain of classical physics and harness some of its incredible potential? This possibility isn't just exciting, it's revolutionary. It suggests that wellness claims, often dismissed as pseudoscience, might have a basis in something far more profound than simple energy manipulation. Perhaps Shungite's purported ability to harmonize energy or protect isn't just metaphorical. Perhaps it's doing something very real at the quantum level, influencing the environment in ways we can't yet directly measure with conventional tools. It implies a kind of natural technology embedded in the earth, waiting for us to discover its operating manual. So, what would such an experiment look like? Picture this. Imagine designing a setup where entangled photon pairs, meticulously created and separated, are then exposed to Shungite in carefully controlled environments. Would the presence of Shungite subtly alter their entanglement? Would it affect the spooky action in any measurable way, perhaps by influencing the speed or correlation of their linked states? Or maybe we could look at systems where quantum coherence, the ability of quantum particles to maintain their linked state, is known to be incredibly fragile and easily disturbed. Could Shungite extend that coherence time, acting as a kind of quantum stabilizer? These aren't easy experiments. Let's be clear. They would require cutting-edge quantum labs, incredibly precise measurements, and the brilliant minds of physicists and material scientists working together. But the idea itself is intoxicating. It's about taking an ancient stone and bringing it into the most advanced realms of modern physics. It's about daring to ask, what if the ancients, or even just nature itself, understood something about the universe that we're only now beginning to formulate with our quantum theories? What if Shungite offers us a tangible, physical connection to that elusive quantum fabric, allowing us to not just observe it, but potentially interact with it in ways we've never dreamed possible? It's a challenge to the scientific establishment, a call to rethink the boundaries of what we believe to be true. So, as we wrap up, remember this: we're not just looking at a rock you can buy online. We're looking at a potential key to unlocking a deeper understanding of the universe itself. Noble Elite Shungite isn't just another mineral for crystal collectors or wellness enthusiasts. It's a living challenge to conventional thought. Can this seemingly ordinary black stone truly influence the subatomic world, mediating or even enhancing quantum entanglement? The answer, if proven, wouldn't just be a footnote in geology or alternative medicine. It would send shockwaves through the scientific community and beyond. It could revolutionize our understanding of reality, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom, fringe theories, and cutting-edge science. The journey into the quantum realm, guided by the enigmatic Noble Elite Shungite, is about to begin. The implications are staggering, and the questions it raises are profound, pushing us to expand our minds and consider possibilities we once dismissed as science fiction. Want to see what happens next in this incredible quantum journey? Click here to watch our follow-up video.